It's quiet time.
Do it all.
Me either. Grouches never help. Don't worry, Big Bird. I can help you.
You can, Rosita?
Mhm.
Hey, thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh, hi. Welcome to Sesame Street. I've got a problem. You see, a few minutes ago, my granny bird said to me, Big Bird, it's quiet time. Well, my problem is I don't know what to do at quiet time.
Big Bird, listen. I have a quiet time book at home with lots of great quiet time ideas in it.
You do?
Yes, I'll go get it right now, and then your problem will be solved.
Oh, thanks, Rosita.
Okay.
Say, Oscar, want to help me with some quiet time ideas till Rosita gets back? Wow, Oscar, a song? That sounds great. May I sing it with you?
Well, I was lying in my bed on a quiet night. Went down to the kitchen to get myself a bite. I reached for the light as I walked in the door, but I tripped and knocked a big old pot down on the floor. And you know what I heard? I heard my dog bark.
Oscar, are you sure this is a quiet time song?
It's a grouch. Now he barked so loud that he woke up my cat. I'll bet you know the next thing I heard after that. I heard my cat meow. I heard him standing in the dark. I heard my dog bark. Barking and meowing made my ears say ouch. It woke up my pet horse who sleeps on my couch. I heard my horse neigh. The noise was so loud that it hurt my head. It woke up my pet lion who sleeps on my bed. I heard my lion roar. Standing in the dark, I heard my dog bark. The loudest noise that ever there was. I put them all to bed all around the house. Soon it was quiet, quiet as a mouse. But then my pet mouse stuck out of his drawer, and he tripped and knocked a big old pot down on the floor. And then, you know what? I heard my dog bark. I heard my dog bark. Bark, 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 bark. I heard my dog bark.
It was a great song, Oscar, but I'm not sure it was very quiet. I think I better find someone else to help me with quiet time ideas.
Oh, don't worry, Big Bird. I got the perfect idea for how to spend quiet time.
Oh, I thought you might, Zoe.
Yeah.
So, what's your idea?
Well, my idea is da-da-da-da-da-da-da. You can play a game.
Play a game?
Yeah, that's it.
What kind of game? All the games I know are pretty noisy, you know. Baseball, tag, that...
Oh, yeah. Well, how about an
Trying to say imagination?
Yeah, that's it. An imagination game. See, we could imagine that we're driving a great big car to the car wash.
Okay, I'm starting my car.
Okay. I'm going to start my car, too.
Okay. Vroom, 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 vroom. Vroom, grab the wheel.
Boom, boom, I'm driving my car. And there goes a little caterpillar family.
Whoa.
Hi, caterpillars.
Don't run over him. I don't want it to rain.
Boom, boom, boom. Wasn't that fun, Big
Yeah.
Bird? Isn't that a good way to spend quiet time?
Why don't we play some more? What should we imagine next?
Uh-oh. Did you hear that?
Hear what?
Well, I just imagined that I heard my mommy call me for lunch. And that's a good thing, because I'm starving. Bye-bye, Big Bird. I'm going to go see Mommy and have some lunch. Here I come, Mommy.
But, Zoe. Oh, I thought she was going to play with me. Oh, well. I'll just drive down Sesame Street by myself. Here I go. Vroom, 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 vroom. Telly, this is a terrific idea. Reading's a great thing to do at quiet time.
You really think so, Big Bird?
I sure do. Now, let's see your book. The Man Who Couldn't Sleep. Once upon a time, a long, long time ago, there was a man who lived in an old cottage. And so the man who couldn't sleep finally slept happily ever after to the sound of the wind and the trees outside his window. The end. Telly, it was a great story, don't you think? Telly?
Hey, Big Bird. What are you thinking about?
Oh, hi there, Daphne. Well, I was just trying to think of some more things to do at quiet time.
Well, I have an idea, Big Bird.
You do? What is it? Why,
Because another thing,
oh, things like what, Daphne?
if we try, we can hear the smallest sound. Quiet time counting smiles, one by one. It's quiet time, playing softly and having fun. Quiet time counting smiles, one by one. It's time. See, Big Bird? It's quiet time, playing softly and having fun. Quiet time, counting smiles, one by one. It's quiet time. It's quiet time.
Oh, hi there, Ernie.
Hi there, Big Bird.
Say, Ernie, do you have any ideas for quiet time? I'm sort of taking a survey, getting everyone's idea on what to do.
Quiet. But if I think of any quiet time ideas, I'll be sure to let you know.
Well, thanks, Ernie. I got it. A great idea, and I thought of it all by myself. I am going to take a nap. Yes, sir, this birdie's going to take a nap.
Big Bird, guess what? I got some ideas for quiet time from this book. See? Quiet time. And, look at that. He's asleep. Big Bird. Big Bird, wake up. Hi. Hi, Big Bird.
Hi, Rosita.
Mhm.
What is it?
Well,
Oh, yeah. Well, Rosita, singing a song is a nice idea, but I already tried it with Oscar.
huh?
Yeah, thanks anyway.
You already tried it before? But he didn't hear my other ideas. Oh, Big Bird!
What?
Big
What?
Bird! Big Bird! Hi. You...
Well, Rosita, playing a game is a very nice idea, but I kind of already did that with Zoe, so
Ay, ay, ay.
please excuse me.
Oh, you already did that with Zoe. Oh, but he didn't hear my very best idea of all for quiet time. Ha ha ha. Big Bird, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up, wake
Oh,
up, wake
Rosita,
up.
what is it? What is it?
Big Bird.
Okay, Rosita, what's your very best idea?
Oh, thank you.
When I lose.
Boy, I never knew there were so many things to do at quiet time.
Read a story, sing a song, it's quiet time. Turn the page or hum along, it's quiet time. Draw yourself a picture of a thing you'd like to see. You can do it alone, or if you get lonely, you can do it with me. Close your eyes and dream a dream, it's quiet time. Think of all the things that you can do. Read a story, sing a song, dream a dream and come along. It's quiet time for me and you. A thing you'd like to see, you can do it alone. Or if you get lonely, you can do it with me.
sing a song. Dream a dream and come along. It's quiet time for me and you. Well, bye for now. I'll see you again.